Welcome back to the uKnowva HRMS course. In this video, we will learn how to import users from the Team Members section in uKnowva HRMS. Let's get started. From the left side navigation panel, click on the Team menu and select the Team Members submenu. This will open a page displaying the list of team members in the system. Above the list, click on the Import Users button. You will see two tabs, AI-powered import and legacy import. Prepare your CSV file according to the method you want to use. For example, if you choose the legacy method, click on the Legacy Import tab. Here, you can download the template file or ensure that your CSV file includes the required headers as shown in the system. Before uploading the file, you can select the required options such as Send Welcome Email, Skip Existing Users, Update Blank Values, or create new designation based on your needs. Next, click on the Browse button to select your prepared CSV file. Once selected, the file will be uploaded automatically. If there are no errors in the file, the new users will be successfully added to the system. That's it! You now know how to import users from the Team Members section in uKnowva HRMS. Thank you for watching.